I now have a Patreon page. So if you want to get exclusive content from me, priority comments, Q&A, if you have a question, I will be more ready to answer them on Patreon than over YouTube. I'll put those first. If you want to get some of those benefits, then I recommend you looking at the link in the description or in the pinned comment. My page is patreon.com/abundantgardening. So what you can expect from me is at least one garden tour per month while the ground isn't frozen, so you probably won't get one in December, January, or February. Also, you will get up to one a month, a Q&A video. So if you have a question about a certain product, about a certain plant, how to do something, then I will make a video for all those on Patreon. And also, like I said, you'll get priority Q&A. That's important because, a lot of us have questions, and I want to be able to provide the best answers too. So I hope you check that my page out, and just for starting at $3 a month, you will get exclusive gardening content. So I hope you like this video and continue to subscribe. I will be continuing to put out the same great content here right on YouTube, so nothing will change. I'm just adding a little extra for my viewers who want just a little bit more, and I'm willing to provide that as well. So until I see you in the next video, get on growing.